Hi, kids! That's my nest. That's my nest there. Say hello. That's my nest, Kyla. How are you? Good. That's good. You're growing very, very quick, huh, Kyla? She's coming a teenager now. See? Say hello to the camera, Kyla. That's my nest. Punta kami dito sa birthday party ng kapatid niya. We couldn't find a place. Dami nang namamasyal dito. Nagre-relax. And that's my niece there. She said, hurry up, auntie. Ayun na. Ang asawa ko, nakipagdaldala na siya dun sa kapatid niya.